What's up, y'all? Today is Monday, the April 23rd or something? 24th? I don't know the day. We're on our way to work. I believe today after work I'm gonna be picking up the keys to my nails. I just want to vlog the experience and just show you guys, like, you know, me doing my little like renovations. Pro tip to anybody getting like a suite: if you don't own a place, don't put all your money into it. So we're gonna be renovating it on a budget. So I'm gonna show you guys how I take my suite from how it's looking to how it's gonna end up looking, just to help out any nail techs out there. Or you don't even gotta be a nail tech, you could be lash tech, hairstylist, makeup artist, whatever. We're just gonna wing it together. Y'all can come along the process with me, so stay tuned, y'all. Hey. Hey y'all. Okay, so this is a different day. I'm here with my mom and her fiance. He's gonna be helping me like with some renovations and stuff. So yeah, we're here at Home Depot looking for flooring. I like this one. This one is cute. It's like a gray marble. That's kind of cute. What do you think? Which one do you like better? This one or that one? What's your opinion?
The first one is nice. Looks nice. Yeah. I
Okay.
like it too.
So I think we're gonna go with this one, you guys. So I
Is
think
the
we're
best
getting
thing to use,
this.
with a fine
I don't know what you call it, hardboard or
Not
something.
so fine.
And then I'm
but,
gonna put the
not-
sticky
not
towels on
heavy.
top. Hey y'all, so I just got here. This is days later. This is Saturday, May 6th. I just got back to the suite. I swept up all the trash, put it in the corner. I have like I would say 50% of my stuff in my car. I'm moving all the stuff by myself. I brought the mirror so far, and like I bought like broom and some like cleaning supplies or whatever. I also found this thing that like holds stuff. It says mop and broom holder, so I'm gonna put that on the wall so I can hold my broom, and like probably get a Swiffer in here. So I'm about to go do that, go get my stuff, and then I'll come back, y'all. Okay, I am so tired. I'm sweating. My hair is a little messed up. But basically, I brought this table, which is like on that side of my room. These are the bottom things for my desk. Look at this thing. It got burnt by my space heater because it was so cold during the winter. This is what I brought so far. I have to bring the rest tomorrow because I am not about to do another trip. So we got so far, y'all. I'm making some progress. I'm tired. I'm about to head home and chill Saturday night. So I'll update you guys probably tomorrow. Bye. It's the next day. It's Sunday. I have my sisters with me.
Is this a vlog?
Yes.
What's going on, you guys? We're back and we're actually moving in all her stuff
And
right
I'm not
now.
doing
anything.
Yes,
She's not
she
doing anything,
is.
but she is. Actually, she's gonna find me a comfy chair to sit in.
Yeah, right.
A quick update, guys. We're actually almost done moving in all her stuff. We only have one more cart, trunk full. Well, actually, it's not even full. And I'm doing all the work.
This is what we got left, y'all. Okay, let's get to it. Okay, this is all my ghetto stuff. Gotta put the okay. Okay. My client just left. I look crazy. It's late. I'm tired. I just put the legs on my little ottoman here. This supposed to be a couch, like a little futon couch, so I can go to sleep when I have breaks in between my clients or whatever. But I was looking at it and it said $98. I'm like, oh, that's a good price. And then the shipping and handling brought it up to like $300. So I was like, you know what? Right now, with the stuff I'm trying to do, my Jamaica trip, my birthday and all that stuff, I'm like, the couch is gonna have to wait. This wall over here was looking kind of empty, so I just put that there for now. I might put like a little table or something, I don't know. But we have these chairs over here. I finally painted the crosses that I was telling you guys about, and I put my little Bible quotes on the back that I like or whatever. They'll probably go on this wall, I think, or maybe above the couch. I don't know, because the couch area is kind of whack. But like, this is what my room is looking like so far. We have this over here, and then we have this little seating area. I got that from Amazon, that little table. And then y'all already seen this before. This chair came with the room, like it was just in here. I'm just using it as storage right now, but I'm gonna be able to put this stuff in the ottoman. So I don't know if I'll keep the ottoman and put it here, but I was gonna get this cute like white and gold table from Amazon, so that like the ottoman is just, I think, temporary. Like I don't think I'm gonna keep it for that long, but I just couldn't stand seeing this like with nothing, so that's why that's there, until I get my little couch with the little pillows or whatever. Hello. Today is Saturday, the June 11th. I just went to Marshall's and I found this little cute thing to put on this table over here. I like it, so I'm gonna take off the tag. My client will be here any minute now, but thank God I cleaned and everything. Like I cleaned and set up for the next client after my previous client. I just got here. I'm going to the gym later, but you know, it's not part of this video. Maybe on my TikTok, follow my TikTok at Princess Nye with 2 underscores. Here's some of the stuff from Amazon to go with the backdrop. But okay, these are these little flowers that are gonna go on the backdrop. Get them like this. Y'all will see when I put it together, but I bought this color and then a lighter color pink. I got these just in case people need to shave their knuckles or whatever. People be having hairy knuckles. We don't judge over here. I bought a black apron, which I'm gonna get like my logo on it, you know, so that the dust doesn't come on me. We got these little plants to go in the backdrop thing. Super cute. So if you could see, there's like a light and like a darker pink. So there's a little contrast, because I didn't want to do white. I felt like white was gonna be like pop out too much. These are the 2 panels. I want to see the size because I'll probably order my LED light today and the 2 other panels, and then I'll be able to basically do like the backdrop, and then I'll just go to Walmart and get like whatever other leaves I need. So my desk is right here where you guys are. This is what the leaf is gonna look like. I bought 2 to see like how it was gonna be, but I think this is gonna work. So I need 4 of these. I bought 2 to see like how big it would be. Jesus, that looks good to me. So it'll be like these 2 on the top and then 2 on the bottom. So I'm gonna buy the other 2, and then my light is gonna go in the middle, and then like the flowers and stuff. But yeah, this is cute. I also got this thing, not the blankets, but this thing to hold the blankets, which I need to fold. Okay, y'all. So as you can see, my backdrop is getting there. My lights, my new LED lights, my sweet neon sign got delivered today. So when I get home tonight, I'm gonna put it in my car, bring it over here. I did not record putting this up, but like you can go to my TikTok and see how like I put up my last one. It was pretty equal. I'll explain later. I do need to update you guys on more decorations, and then all I know is that like this Friday I will be ordering my table that's gonna go in the corner, and I have like a couple more things, and then it'll pretty much be done and I'll be able to do the big reveal. Hey y'all. Okay, so today is Thursday. I don't know exactly what day. I'm back here and I brought my old sign, and I was thinking of putting it up here. What do y'all think? I think this is cute, a good little idea, because my other sign came in, so we're gonna unbox that. My new sign came in a box like this or whatever. That's what we got. This is what it will look like for the most part. I would probably move these flowers over here like a little bit more to the side. I think it's a good size. I think it looks good. I don't want to take it out yet because like I'm not going to screw it in the wall. I don't have the thing to do it yet. and like I feel like I need someone else here to do it with me because I don't want it to look crooked. But y'all, I'm excited that my sign came in. Tomorrow I'm gonna go to Walmart and buy like some more, you know, greenery to put over here. I think tomorrow I'm also gonna order this stuff, like my little table that I'm gonna put over there. So this should be coming together. I'm also gonna be getting the couch. I'm just gonna buy it off my Michelle, my last check, because she's moving downstairs. She's like on my same floor, but she's gonna be moving to the 4th floor and getting a new room, and it's like a different layout. I think it's slightly like smaller because it's like 2 separate rooms, so it's a little bit smaller. So she's gonna just sell me her couch. So pretty soon we're gonna have like pretty much everything done. Hopefully by like sometime next week it should be done and I can, you know, do all that. But I just want to update you guys on my sign and stuff. I'll put like, you know, the information about it, but I basically, you know, wrote it out. I bought this in I think like 34 inches and it was 2 lines 44 inches. So 2 lines means there's 1 line, a second line, 2 lines of text. So I put Princess Night and Beauty. So I picked whatever text that I wanted, which was the first one, and then the text that I wanted for the second one, obviously I wrote, you know, this out and I saw which one I liked. And I put like, when it asked for like a question, I put like can the second line only, and I put in parentheses like the word beauty be in whatever font this is. And then I also added the heart, which I believe was like $5, something like that. So yeah, this is my sign, y'all. I'm excited, I'm happy, and I will just keep you guys updated. Hey y'all, it's your girl Princess Night. We in this thing, we back in here. I had to bring my little sister, my little cousin to help me, you know, do the rest of the decorations. So yeah, come along with us and let's go. All right, now we're gonna put up my other sign, my movie I'm gonna have. What do you think for the placement right now? Like of the couch and everything?
Yeah, it's like, it's even.
It's not too much from one side to the other? Like, you know, the, like, is it in the middle of the couch?
Yeah, it's in the middle.
Okay. Okay, that's it. We're gonna be right back. We're gonna go to Home Depot and get the screws for the other sign, and we'll be back. Okay, you guys, we're in Michael's. You already know. We're trying to get some more like flowers for that thing, the background. I just want like whimsical fairy like flowers, you know? What do you think about these?
Those look cute.
Yeah. Let's look.
Yeah, I'm not showing anything. I'm showing from the hair up. That's it. They don't even see nothing else.
You know what they're here to see. What's going on here?
That's it. You think you're funny?
See anything here? Oh, hell no. They must be out of their goddamn.
Their goddamn mind.
As if it wasn't just Juneteenth.
Right.
It's almost gone. They're buying it.
Black lives freaking matter. Like,
Like,
do it. Yeah. Why the pinky?
we back. We went to Home Depot and we got these screws. You know. Now we're gonna do what we gotta do, what we came here to do.
We're back and we're better. I don't want you forever.
Okay, I see.
Sorry. Make sure the bubble's in the middle. So you gotta do.
Okay, turn off the light.
Wow.
It's giving! I love it.